Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add an AI chatbot to your Wix website. Step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your site load. On the left side, click Add Apps. When the Wix app market appears, take a moment. Then type Wix AI Site Chat into the search bar. Soon, you'll see the Wix AI chatbot in the results. Go ahead and click it. Then choose Add to Site. After a short moment, you'll notice the chat widget appear right on your page. Click on the widget and select Manage Your Chat. Here, you can gently customize your chatbot, adjust the messages, fine-tune the behavior, and choose a design that fits the calm style of your website. When everything looks just right, click Save. And that's it. Your AI chatbot is now ready to help your visitors. If this video helped you, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.